Hey everybody, for this project I'm going to be doing week 11 in my Project Life album. I'll be using primarily the hybrid product play kit, and I wanted to go with lots of bright colors because this was the last week we were in school, the last week we were at the library having play dates, basically the last week before the world turned upside down. So I wanted to go really bright and colorful, and I even have an insert as well, and I have some Colorcast Designs pieces and some chipboard I made of my own. And let me see if I can show you some digital stuff that I did. So for this one, this was a star stamp in the product play kit, hybrid product play kit, and I took it, shrunk it down, changed it to 3 different colors, and then made my own journaling card. Same thing for this one as well. This one was just a patterned paper, so I just shrunk it down to the size of the box that I needed. And then on this one, I just changed the color of the stamp, so that way I could put in 5 of the top favorites for the week, and just changed it up from the weekly questions. And so I am ready to build this spread. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina. I'm on a few design teams, and I also have a class with Big Picture Classes. Find me at Mrs. Scrap and Plan on Instagram. All right, I'm gonna get started. Thank you for joining me. All right, so this should come together pretty quick. You saw my tray, so I already made the chipboard that I like to make, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place the cards that I have, and then I will add in my embellishments. I think I started with our Carmen Sandiego show that we enjoyed, and then these red poppies that bloom, and they only last like 2 weeks, so I have to get a picture every time I see them. This card right here could not be more true or on point for this particular week. Really could not be more true. I have the Colorcast Designs, and I'm trying to decide where I want them. I also pulled out a few different acrylic stars to use. This Totally Loving card I think is in the wrong spot, so I'm going to wind up pulling it up and moving it up to the photo of my son and his friend. And then I can adhere the right card, which is the one with stars. I also have this yellow pattern paper, and in the end I think I wound up forgetting something because the yellow kind of sticks out more than anything else, and I think I meant to add another yellow embellishment to the right side, but that's okay. It's all right. I'll just let it go. It'll bug me, but I'll let it go. And I have a little wood veneer piece that I used at the bottom of my kids, and then a long chipboard piece from the digital kit that I'm going to lay across where my kids are sitting on the lawn. This photo of my daughter on the skateboard, the day that school closed, we had Penguin Olympics to celebrate, and right after that we got the news about the school closing. So I wanted to make sure to make that little section kind of special because I want to remember that. That was an incredible day and kind of, I guess, send off, because I don't know when we're going back to school. We're still doing distance learning. So this circle that I just put down is the stories of right now, and I'm also going to add a wood veneer circle that's a 3 and then a mix of acrylic stars. I don't know how, but sometimes I feel like my drawer of acrylics is some sort of magic thing that grows, because every time I think I'm not going to find an acrylic star or I'm out of one, I find the one I need. So apparently my acrylic stars just grow on their own. Since this was the last week, I decided to add an insert of some favorite photos and also receiving the news about the school, which was hard to put that screenshot because I was also pairing it with some favorite photos, like my daughter at the Penguin Olympics, the last time she saw her friend, before we all shut down. And I wound up adding the journaling after, and so I just didn't want to do it on camera. I'm also adding in a story about the weekend because not only did everything shut down, I may have already mentioned this previously in a different video, but that same weekend, it rained so much. So when it finally stopped raining, it was just amazing. So I had to document that. I went back to the front and added this chipboard that says currently, and then I kind of switched things around in their pockets, and I added a yellow acrylic star. And then I will be finished with this spread, and I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful spread and a beautiful way to kind of ease into documenting the rest of March, which was staying home and adjusting to everything that is going to change. So I hope you enjoyed watching this memory planner spread come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.